Shit, I got 602 for now.
Oh yeah, we waited the normal amount of time. What the was that?
Hold up, I gotta run outside real quick.
Y'all didn't see that lightning strike that just fucking...
Shut
Shut
up.
When you use drone, you're gonna get shot up. You don't see me?
Who the fucking crick goes? Shut the fuck up!
That's how I said use a
Shut
drone.
the fuck up! I'm trying to concentrate. Shut up!
How you get a first shot at me? Ugh. Ugh.
Use a drone.
This is my ship. Damn it. No. What the? What? What?
You look both ways before you came across the street.
Look, I don't need that. I got swag. What's up? What's up, little nigga? What's up? I'm about. I see JC says King Red promoted you the leader. I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? I was like, come on JC, we going. This man said, nah, I'll fucking quit the game. I'm like, what? I'm like, bro, those were warm-up rounds. This the actual round. You fucking... And we fucking got jumped, JC. Why you had to say that? Damn.
You jinxed us. Ooh. Hit that. Dead.
And the rest of them to the thousand hell.
Yeah, it keep. The fuck was that? Oh, they should be, well, see, I'm vlogging over here, and I hopped the fence. Oh, you vlogging? Oh, what?
Later.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got unlocked shit. Go! You in? That ain't my car. That ain't my car. That ain't my car. I'll be back. I'll be back. Light that bitch up. No! What's this? I gotta do this again. Wow. A battle claim mine. Get up. Boom, man, I'm done. Now I'm gonna run around just for fun. No, fucking. How do I? And he came in his final form. crazy. He pulled up on the final thing. That's crazy. Ah, you fuck ass. My maneuver skills gotta be at 100. Let me heal up.
Oh my god. I suck.
Nah, bro, tighten up. You got it. Oh, I fucked up.
Oh, fucked up.
I fucked up trying to encourage you.
Oh my god.
Ooh. It's getting spicier every time.
Hey. That shit, it tastes like a, I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes like something.
It tastes like, I feel like this is what the sun would taste like a little bit.
Take a bite of that bitch. Oh, the sun got like a half moon.
Yeah, you're right. I took a chunk out of that bitch.
That shit was delicious. How about you?
You know, I had to change difficulties because, you know, I was gonna play Ultimate, but then I realized I ain't live streaming, so I don't really got nothing to prove. You already see me play it on the hardest difficulty. What other YouTubers out here playing it? Name a nigga, and I'll wait. Okay then, you can, so shut the fuck up. Nah.
Takedown, no problem. Oh, she lands a massive knee to the head. Oh!
Got me there. Ah, they played me. Mother, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Bro, where's her stamina going down? Why is not hers going down, but mine is consecutively going down on both ground? Yeah, it pissing me off. Give me up. What's up? Mother? Hell no. Nope. Get off me, bitch. Get off. Oh. We can go the op. We can go around him. Go! 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 Get the fuck out of my way, nigga! Go! 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 Oh, hell no! I'm gone. Who saw this nigga? What the f? The f? What the fuck? That shit knocked my whole thing down. I got muted yet.
Hey there, boys and girls. I got plenty of.
Get some help.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Hello.